All right. US30 and NAS100 basically in a little sell-off right now. They're both selling off. I like to see US30 basically hold this bottom wick right here. Hold this section. Basically same with NAS100. I'd like to see it hold right here. And then we got these next lows right here. Get about 15 minutes till the bell rings. I don't think some of these people are fucking. Gonna watch to see it hold here. I want to see it push back up with NAS100. Man, I'm sick today. Definitely really, really sick. Can't shake this fucking cold, man. I got a flight here later this week. US30, because it's been basically selling off here. I want to basically see a hold and then push back to the upside. Yesterday was kind of shit. We did have some sell off here on US30, so I like to see the market be more bullish today. So again, we got like 12 minutes till the ball rings. Sharp prepping here to send signals out. I'm actually building my bot. I'm building a bot that's almost done here. A trading bot for Forex pairs. So that'd be nice. US30 is trying to push already. And with NAS100. But I don't want to take anything yet to get too close to the market. We do have news here. So this JOTS job opening here. So 9 o'clock news. Market opens at 9:30. Yeah. ASXUC 2K 730. Market opens at 9:30. That's when you see the momentum coming in. At 9:30, that's when you really see the momentum come rolling in. Yeah, I always mark my charts before, and then I place the trades like usually like within that like 1 to like 3 minute frame of the market opening. You never want to just mark it in. You want to put your order out there and let it fill. I am drinking a Coors Light. US30 is already pushing up here. Day drinking. No, I'm fucking drinking a Starry. Kind of don't want to see USDC. I don't want to see really US30 push up here. Kind of want to like. Usually, I want to see it just kind of chill. Everything kind of chill. Like be at a standstill until the market gets closer to opening. 53 plus. Fuck. Yeah, see US30 is pushing up here. Fuck. Yeah, see, I don't like how US30 is. Fuck. See, some people will get in this right now, but I don't want to get in this. US30 is pushing up. Alright, I'm going to start putting my signals out there for the group. So we know where we're buying NAS100. Yeah, see, US30 is pushing up kind of nice here. Shit. I can't chase anything. A lot of people like to chase stuff. I have a hard time chasing stuff. Very, very hard. I'd like to see US30 pull back here a little bit. NAS100 pulling back. See, wow, that is shit's pulling back here. Oof, NAS100 really fucking pull back. Yeah, they're both pulling back hardcore here, and that's fine. You know, things do need to pull back. Things do need to pull back for you to really get that, like, you know, that ramp up. See, like Nas is trying to wick people out. That's what's happening right now. Same thing with US30. US30 is basically trying to do the same thing. Yeah, see, US30 is pulling back a lot, which I'm fine with. I'm fine with US30 pulling back a lot. Because these have been beaten down so hard, I'd like to see a nice little uptrend. This little push to the upside with these. Oh yeah, US30 pulled back a lot. Look at this. See, a lot of people that took this and they wrote it up, but they didn't take profit. About 4 minutes to the market opens. Yesterday the market was kind of shit, so I'm hoping for it to be better today. It does feel a little choppy right now, but like I said, we'll see. We'll see what we get. Yeah, the whole month of December is generally trash. People aren't trading that much because people are using their money for Christmas. Christmas packages, toys, all that family stuff. So I want to see US30 keep pushing back to the upside here. 2 minutes to the market opens. What are your ops on the broker PU Prime? I don't know. I've never heard of them. I use Gates. So the link is somewhere in my YouTube channel. If you use my link, you know, they give you 100% deposit bonus and then like giveaways and all that shit. I've withdrawn over $400,000. Actually, no, I've withdrawn over $500,000 from them so far this year. Over $500,000 I've withdrawn from them, and I can show fucking proof of every withdrawal. So, like I said, I've never hit it. All my withdrawals are done in like 2 hours. Over $500,000 in withdrawals. I can show fucking proof of every one of these things. Never had an issue. Never had an issue. All right, so US30 is pushing nice here. See if we get this fucking pop back to the upside here with US30. So I'm at take profit 1 on my US30. Take profit 1. Take a screenshot of this, put this in the Telegram. Ooh, US30 is flowing nicer, guys. I'm in US30 right now. It's at my take profit 1. It's at my take profit 2. All right, guys. We put the signal in the Telegram group. I'm up $6,000. I'm going to pay myself half along the way because I don't want to be greedy. I'll take a partial trade, close out half. Boom, boom, boom. Pay myself half. Telegram. We're at take profit 2. NAS100 is pushing nice. Market just open. Oh, we just hit take profit 3. Look at this. US30. Holy shit balls. I'll be a monkey's bare-assed uncle. Look at this. US30. God damn, dude. I'm up 10 fucking grand. Oh my God. I'm closing this right now. Let's go. Hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. Live on YouTube. Let's see here. What's my total P&L for the day? $12,478. I will take it. And I'm done in fucking 1 minute, dude. It's still going. What? Look at this. There you go. There we go. Make sure you guys like this. Can you guys please like this? Give this a like. That would really be fucking great. Look at this. NAS100 popped and cashed out. NAS100 did hit my take profit 1, but she instantly like yanked back hard. So US30 still running hardcore, dude. Oh my God. See, we drew this line. See, look at this. I drew this line here at NAS100 saying like this would probably hold as like a support. And look at it. She came down, boom, tested it. Hey, how many viewers do we have right now? $66. That's not bad. I'll take it. 72. Some people see 72, 66. I don't know. Make $200. 76. 76. I guess it's 76. That's what I'm trying to tell people and show people like with this. Like, this is not hard for me anymore in life. Like, is at the point that this, like, what you guys just saw, witnessed, see me do, like, this is not hard for me at all. Like, this is actually very, 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 very easy. Like, very, very easy. So, what I do day in and day out with the US30, NAS100, and the Forex pair is actually very easy. So, and US30 still fucking running. My bitch ass closed it early. So, could have, could I have maybe closed out half of my half? Probably, but whatever. I don't, fuck it. I don't give a shit. So, and I'll show people, like, I'll be transparent. I'll show people, like, here's a Telegram group. There you go. There was my trade. I mean, there's the trade, US30, up $12,000. Take a profit. 1, 2, 3, squeeze, boom. Hit the little X, close the trade. That's it. I'm done. I don't know how to be, you know, any more transparent than that. So, I probably could have closed half of this, but whatever. Like I said, fuck it. I don't give a shit. I'm done. Done, 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 done. So, US30 still running. Oh my god. NAS100 still testing. NAS100 still testing this area right here. Still testing this right here, this zone. So, the problem with trading is people don't know when to take profits. Like, they'll just, like, I'll be up like we'll use somebody else for example. They'll be up like, say $1,000 right here. And they're like, well, if it goes a little bit more, I could have $2,000. Well, that's true. But what if you're up $1,000 and it pulls back and then you're like only up $800? And then you're gonna be like, oh shit, I just wanted to get back to that $1,000 and I'll close out the trade. And then it does get back to that $1,000, but you don't close out the trade. You see what I'm saying? And then it pulls back and now you're up $800. And then it pulls back and then you're up like $700, $600, $500, $400, $300. And you're like, no, I want my $1,000. I'll take the $1,000. But then it just keeps pulling back and then like, you know, like people don't ever take fucking profits. So up 600 for the day. I think I did a poll. I did a poll recently about if we should do this live shit in Discord or YouTube. I think everyone voted for YouTube. I'll tell you what. Discord is like a wart on my dick that I got in my early 20s that just won't go away. No matter how many times I try to cut it off or burn it off, it just keeps growing back. It is literally. I try to make use of it, you know. I try to make use of it, but it just won't go. Yeah. So, US30 still pushing up nice here. Like I said, there's gonna be a lot of people that are gonna look to buy this right now. Very risky. Very, 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 very risky. Yeah, a lot of people are gonna look to buy this right now. Make sure you guys like this, por favor. Let's get to 50 likes. I know there's 50 of you guys watching. Make sure you guys like this. Let's get to 50 likes. I probably won't be on this tomorrow. Yeah, probably. I don't think I'll be on YouTube live streaming tomorrow or Thursday because I think I might catch a flight here later on today. Look at this, NAS100 testing. Might potentially push back up here. See if NAS100 can break this. This wick right here. Discord is great because people can post up their profits. Like, oh, like, because like, okay, if you actually made profit off the US30, just type a W. Just type a W. Or just type how much. Just type how much you made. See, like with Discord, um, Discord, it's great because people could post up like the actual screenshot of like how much they made, and then you use that to post on like social media, marketing, blah 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 blah. But then it's kind of like, ugh, it's just like you get people that like. I was in Fiji and people were messaging me. They're like, "Hey, are you messaging me right now in Discord?" It's like, no. What the fuck? I'm like, I'm sitting at a beach in a speedo with one of my nutsacks kind of peeking through. Like, why would I be messaging you on Discord right now? Like, that doesn't make any sense. Oh, I just thought you had another account. Why would I? That doesn't make any sense. Why would I have two Discord accounts? Look at NAS100, man. It's pushing up, breaking this. See, like I said, I'm literally like teaching you guys all this shit. Look at this. NAS100. We drew out this low right here, held this zone. Now she's pushing up. So the NAS100 is at my take profit 1 and take profit 2. So for those people could easily jump back in this one. Easily. So first she hit take profit 1, pulled back, and at that part, you know, you would have, if people learned how to trade from me, you would adjust it. You would adjust it for break even, no matter what, right? And then always tell people, you always get back in a trade. Always get back in a trade. So US30's trying to push back up here. Yeah. 44 likes. Can we get 6, 7 more likes? If you haven't hit the like, hit the like. Oh, what a wick out, man. NAS100, look at this. That's a crazy candle. With the wicks, doji candle, that's nuts. Yeah, that's a crazy, crazy move. US30 started to fake people out. She started to pop, and everyone's like, "Yeah, it's going back to the highs," and nope, pull back. Hey, if you made 86 cents, you're still doing better than 90% of people. 90% of people trading today are losing money. It took me a long time to figure out trading. We opened the copy trading up for a bit, but then we shut it down. So we're not. We're just keeping it for the people that are in it. I actually got to send out email last night because there's a huge fucking bug with traders. See, Traders Connect is who we use it through, and just nonstop issues with them and bugs and disconnection and errors. So Yeah, we're not doing any kind of copy trading with bonus accounts or nothing like that. And we're setting it up where a bot's basically going to take it over. I have a bot being built that's just going to take it over. So, Marathon Trading Wolf, yeah, you just have to basically place your own trades, or you can use a bot when that comes out. So, we have a bot coming out, but I'm not physically trading, like mainly buying or selling for people. Let the bot do its thing. The EA. That's like asking me to come to your house and like after you take a shit, I wipe your ass for you. I'm just gonna use a garden hose and just spray you down. Or I'm gonna install a bidet for you. What's gold doing? Let's see what gold is doing here. I know a lot of people love gold. Raymond Diaz, you haven't given any signals today. Just waiting for the US. Oh wow, gold is pushing up. Holy shit. Hey, we hit 50 likes. Nice. Thank you. NAS100, man, still just doing nothing. Wow. I didn't trade AUD, US dollar, NZD, US dollar. Gold's a very hard one to trade, man. It's interesting because it was consolidating here. Look at this, straight consolidation. Boom. Yeah, I can't. You can make a lot of money trading gold. I know a lot of people trade it, but people will take it like 50 lots on it. That's insane. I've done it before, but it's just very difficult. Yeah, basically shot up like, yeah, like 20 points with gold here. NAS100 still trying to push up. US30 pulling back hard here. Yeah, US30 is pulling back hard. With US30 pulling back, NAS100 should be ripping here. So, with US30 pulling down, we should see NAS100. NAS100 could break over this previous high. We should be able to break over this one next. See if NAS100 keeps going here. Give it another like 10 more minutes. They'll dip out. I don't stick around very long, man. I just come and do my thing. I know there'll be guys live streaming on YouTube for like 2 to 5 hours. It doesn't make sense. You know, it just doesn't make sense. It makes zero sense why you would sit here for 2 to 3 hours. It's like why? Because people kind of like contradicting themselves. They're like, oh, I want to quit and leave my day job, my full-time job, and then they want to sit here all day. I don't. Somebody commented on my YouTube videos, they're like, you need to do a day in the life or like a vlog. It's like, day in the life. It's like, I don't know what the fuck. My life is boring as shit. Like, my day's basically going to be, I'm gonna go get a fucking bagel. I'm gonna go get an onion bagel with cream cheese. Then I'm gonna stop at Home Depot, buy some fucking tools. And then I'm gonna go back and work on my hot tub, refill it with water, add chemicals, clean the jets, clean the filter, and then I'm trying to think what else I'm gonna do today. Uh, do shit with what else do I gotta do? I'm probably make some content, and then yeah, not a whole lot. Probably answer Instagram messages and Discord, or not Discord, YouTube comments. It's not much of a day in my life. People think like day in the life of day traders. It's supposed to be all strippers, bars, clubs, drugs, drinking. I don't know. I got a pack. I mean, I got a pack for my trip, but that's about it. Yeah, I mean, AO, YouTube, YouTube. People are used to seeing like it's true like the fast cars, the private jets, but like people that actually make real money with this shit, they don't they don't do that. Like that just doesn't make sense. So I get it, if that's like you got to buy things to make you happy, but it's not every fucking day. Not every day you're going to the Louis Vuitton Gucci store and buying a man purse to fit your butt plug or stuff like that. I'm gonna probably go to the beach. I probably will go to the beach later on. So it's pretty nice out today. So I probably will go to the beach. Probably go to the beach, bitch people out for digging holes. US30 pushed all the way up. Holy shit. Let's fake everybody out and then push all the way back up. Jeez Louise. But NAS100 still struggling. I'll tell you what, man. Everybody will get there with the hard work, especially with trading. But once you get there, like I told myself the same thing. It's like once I have $500,000 sitting in my bank account, I am buying a Lamborghini. I am buying a Lamborghini. And then you walk away to like the dealership and like you walk in and you're like, do I really do I really want to spend 200 to 300 grand on this car? Do I really want to drain that much of my account? It's hard. Cars are super fun, but man, I'm like I said, I'm cheap as fuck. I hate paying maintenance, and the shit breaks, man. One of my vehicles, I'm not going to tell people what it is, but one of my vehicles, I went to the dealership. I had an oil change done, fully synthetic, the full inspection, blah blah blah, top off fluids like coolant, you know, antifreeze, all that shit, and the fucking it's like everything came to like $187. I'm like $187 for a fucking oil change and inspection and top off my fluids? Like, yeah. I'm like, Jesus Christ. I remember fucking growing up, being like 16, 17 years old. You go to like this AutoZone and buy an oil and filter or Walmart, do an oil change yourself for 20, 25 bucks. I'm like $887. Yeah, we got news coming here in 9 minutes, or it's like seven minutes. NAS100 still lingering there. US30 pushing back up. I have a YouTube video already about moving your stop loss to break even. It's on Trade Locker. News is coming out soon. 9 o'clock. So about 6 minutes, almost 5 minutes. US30 still pushing up nice here. NAS100 pulling back. It's been faking people out all fucking day. US30 was definitely the breadwinner. That's why it's important to watch both of these. See, the thing is, yeah, dealerships charge an arm and a leg, but like if you buy like a if you buy like a Porsche GT3 or Lamborghini or any of those high-end cars, like where the fuck are you gonna service it? You have to bring it to the dealership. I mean, seriously, if you buy a Lamborghini or a Porsche GT3, I mean, you have to bring it to the dealership. You go buy yourself like a fucking Honda Accord or Honda CR-V or anything like a Toyota or any of your standard basic cars, then yeah, you could take it you could take your vehicle to those like quick, like they got them here in the United States, like those quick like little 5 minute oil changes. I wouldn't I probably would fucking I'm not gonna take my vehicle to a place that says like, yeah, we can do your oil change in 5 minutes. It's like I don't want people rushing through this shit. But like you bring your vehicle to like a Jiffy Lube or like your standard place. So just your standard shop. US30 still pushing up nicer. Jeez Louise, like I said, I'm not chasing this thing at all. NAS100. If I took this today, man, I'd be in and out of this thing. I'd be like just building up my lot size. Just gonna stick around for the news, and then we'll pop off after the news. I took 2 lots today. 2 lots. Which is about right, because normally I take 1 lot. So normally 1 lot I like to make like 5 grand. So it's about right. If I held longer, obviously I would have made more money. I won't be taking my entry. I won't be taking any more entries. Top 5 CJ. I won't be taking more entries because I already took my entries at the market open, basically 30 minutes ago. You don't want, like, at this point, you don't want to take any more entries. I'm just watching to see what we get here, what kind of action we get with the news dropping. See, if you already made profit on the day, I think people are gonna fucking tune in for this shit to like really just hear me talk and my thought process to really build up their energy with this. But if I already made profit today, if I made, all right, I'll tell you what. I'll give away. I'll do a giveaway. I'll give away $1,000 if somebody can answer this question. If they give me the best answer, you have to give me the best answer. If I already made money today trading, why would I take any more trades? Why would I take? Again, I'm gonna repeat this. If I'm already made money trading, why would I take any more trades? But people feel like they should keep trading. That's the thing, and that's how they blow up their account. Because if I take a trade, let's say if I take a trade in US30 right now, I buy it, and it starts pulling back. Well, market just okay. Let's see what kind of news we get. So if I buy US30 right now, it starts pulling back, then I'm losing. I'm up 12 grand on the day. Now I'm down. I'm losing money. It's like, well, I went from being a green winning day to now losing day. You know, market's dropping 40 points here. US30 pulling down, NAS100 trying to push up. Maybe to afford another first class ticket to Australia, buy another vacation. There you go. Now you got now you got the ticket. Use money from trading to travel. It's the best thing I ever did with my profits. The best thing I ever did. The best thing I do with my trading profits is travel the world. It is worth every fucking penny. Every penny. So, I'd rather do that than. So I'm a horrible driver. Literally a horrible driver. Every day, I end up hitting a curb or going too fast over a speed bump. Every day. Every day I hit a curb, pothole, you name it. My wheels are destroyed. So I'm the person you don't want to let me drive your vehicle. Look at this, NAS100 pushing dice here. So we just hit our take profit 3 at NAS100. Finally. Very choppy though. Very, very choppy day especially with NAS100 here. We finally did break over that high though. So that was move like molasses. So NAS100 hit our entry. It took for 1, 2, 3. It just took forever to get there. Forever to get there. But she got there. Let's close out of this. I think we might call it here. News really didn't do much. I mean, kind of popped here with NAS100 a little bit, but nothing really crazy. I mean, basically popped like 30 points. So nothing, no 100 to 200 points. But yeah, she's pulling back now. I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. I will. I think I might. I think I might fly to. I might take my flight tomorrow. If I take my flight tomorrow, then I basically won't be trading. Well, I won't be. I won't be on here for the next 2 days. Maybe Friday. I might be on here Friday. But yeah, I gotta catch this flight. I gotta see when I want to take it. So. Who is the top fans here today? Lag 9964. I don't know how you guys are getting the fucking. I still don't know how he's getting the top. I don't know. Dude, look at this NAS100. I mean, this thing just wicked out everybody again, dude. Again. Oh my god, this motherfucker. What? He is an experienced YouTube commentator. Yeah, like I said, that's it. Any questions? You guys have any questions, or is I'm gonna dip out? Like I said, I don't use Discord no more. Basically, I'm gonna be leaving. I'll leave the Discord open for those that still use it. I'm not gonna shut it down. I'm not gonna take away from people, but I'm gonna leave it. Just completely leave the channel. I don't want to be in the Discord no more. Like I said, it's like a massive wart on my dick that just it bleeds every time I use it. What a drop on US30. I actually trade from my phone. I trade from my phone, and you can't do a split screen like this with the Trade Locker only. So I won't be able to watch. That's why I use TradingView. I've reached out to Trade Locker. I was like, yo, man, when the fuck you guys gonna have split screen on your charts? Once you guys have split screens, then I don't need TradingView anymore. I could ditch TradingView, but I need the split screen, and then I take my trades based off that. So I do all my trades on my phone. Everything I do everything from my phone. And now I got that big ass iPad 13. The iPad 13, dude. That iPad 13 I bought was the best thing ever. I personally think an iPad's better than A MacBook. Man, I won a MacBook. I won a MacBook. I actually won one from Gates. I won it, and that thing is like that thing just takes. I For those that are using a Mac, bless your heart. It's so fucking hard for me to use. I don't know why. US30 pulling back hard here, man. Same thing with NAS100. Jeez Louise. Mac OS sucks dick. Dude, it's so hard to use. So hard. Which just blows my mind because the iPhone is I think the iPhone is like the greatest phone. I think it's just so great and easy to use. And the same thing with the iPad, but the Mac laptops, dude, this thing's a motherfucker. This thing is straight up motherfucker to use. I don't know why. It's just so fucking hard. Just like things are so fucking stupid with it. Like I'll try and install something on it. It's like, oh, you can get it from the Mac store, the Apple store. I'm like, okay, what the fuck? And then like I go to the Apple store next time to try and install something download, and it's like, oh, you can't get it from here. You have to go to like the browser. I'm like, yo, this is so fucking stupid. Like it's just all over the map. And then like you download something, and then it's not like then you have to like drag it and like drop it in a folder. I'm like, this is fucking stupid. Like I don't understand. It's like, oh my god. Takes a while to get used to. The battery life is amazing. You know, the battery life is absolutely amazing. Should I be open to trading US30 and NASDAQ, or should I just stick with NASDAQ? You should be open to both. I watch both of them, but I wouldn't trade either one of them until, like, you're experienced with this shit. I would just learn how good it moves and stuff. So, but, alright, y'all, that is it for good.